Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Current Catalyst. In this video I will discuss about Sikkim Statehood Day. When was it declared a state of India, its history and key features of its statehood. Sikkim is a state in northeastern India, known for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Sikkim became a state of India on the 16th of May 1975, making it the 22nd state of the Indian Union. So, we celebrated 50 years of its statehood in 2025. Sikkim celebrated its 50th Statehood Day on the 16th of May 2025, with Chief Minister P.S. Taming and Governor Om Prakash Mathur. Now let's discuss about the background of Sikkim before statehood. Independent monarchy, Sikkim was a small Himalayan kingdom ruled by the Chogyal king. It had a hereditary monarchy and was predominantly inhabited by ethnic groups such as the Lepchas, Bhutias and Nepali-speaking communities. British Protectorate. In the 19th century, Sikkim became a British protectorate, and after India gained independence in 1947, Sikkim remained a protectorate under India through the India-Sikkim Treaty of 1950. India managed its external affairs, defense and communications, but Sikkim retained autonomy in internal matters. Steps to statehood of Sikkim. Political unrest in the 1970s, growing political awareness and agitation, particularly from the Nepali majority population, led to demands for democratic reforms and integration with India. 1973 protests. A major turning point came with protests against the Chogyals' rule in 1973. Political parties in Sikkim accused the monarchy of unfair election practices. Tripartite Agreement, 1973. A pact was signed between the Chogyal political parties and the Government of India. This led to the formation of a Chief Executive Council appointed by India, reducing the king's powers. 1974 Constitution. A new constitution was framed which declared Sikkim as an associate state of India, but the status was short-lived. Referendum. April 1975. A public referendum was held in which over 97% voted in favor of abolishing the monarchy and joining India as a full-fledged state. Constitutional Amendment. The 36th Amendment to the Indian Constitution was passed, officially making Sikkim the 22nd state of India on the 16th of May 1975. Post-statehood era. Special provisions. Article 371F of the Indian Constitution provides special provisions for Sikkim, including reservations for certain communities and protection of its unique cultural and linguistic heritage. Representation. Sikkim has one seat in the Lok Sabha and one seat in the Rajya Sabha. Government structure. Sikkim has a parliamentary system of government with a chief minister as the head of the executive. Thank you.